यार क्या वीक था ये. One of the perks of being an associate editor with Motor India magazine is that I get to travel a lot. कभी हफ्ते में एक ट्रिप, कभी दो, लेकिन इस बार 3 ट्रिप एक ही वीक में. And let me tell you, each one was worth every second. I don't just write about the industry, मैं इस इंडस्ट्री को जीता हूँ. Meetings, events, conversation, and this past week it was exactly that. Exhausting, energizing, and enlightening. Trip 1 was to Dharwad, Karnataka. वहां गया था for the launch of Hodek Vibration Technologies third manufacturing unit. And now for those who don't know Hodek, it's a quiet yet powerful force in the automotive space. They design and manufacture torsional vibration dampers, components that reduce harmful engine vibrations, especially in diesel internal combustion engines used in trucks, tractors, gensets and rail. It's the kind of part that never gets the spotlight, लेकिन बिना इसके crankshaft का failure सिर्फ वक्त की बात होती. The new Dharwad plant is a fully automated unit built with electron beam welding, EBM technology, a high precision welding process ideal for critical heat sensitive components. So they are not just scaling, they are future proofing their tech stack. और एक चीज जो मैं जरूर मेंशन करना चाहता हूं was the flight experience itself. I flew Star Air, part of the Sanjay Godward group. छोटी सी रीजनल एयरलाइन है, लेकिन experience was almost like a chartered flight. And landing at Belgavi airport, यार it was nothing like the usual chaos we see at the big metro cities. Lush green surroundings, fresh air, no crowd, no rush, and I actually felt more connected to the place before even I stepped into Dharwad. And in times when aviation industry is under a lot of scrutiny, ये छोटी-छोटी experiences याद दिलाते हैं that when done right, travel is less about the distance, more about the discovery. पर जो चीज मुझे और भी ज्यादा सरप्राइज कर गई was the city itself. Dharwad's space is calm, grounded, and refreshingly simple. 1 hour drive from the Belgavi airport felt more like a detox session with no traffic jams, no horns, just green lush stretches and open skies. And once I reached, the Hodek team's warmth was unreal. Owner से लेकर हर team member तक down to earth, respectful and gracious. And as a gesture of appreciation for gracing the event, they gifted us a beautifully crafted 3D Ram Darbar. And it wasn't just about the memento, it was about the whole emotion. From Dharwad, I landed in Pune for the Commercial Vehicle Forum. यहाँ पूरा CV industry इकट्ठा हुआ था, from OEMs to Tier 1s and policy makers to tech providers. सबका एक ही गोल था. What's next for the logistics and mobility in India? We spoke about driver shortage and how technology can help make trucking aspirational again. Alternate fuels, CNG, LNG and biofuels are getting real traction. Or electrification, not just for cars, but even last mile and heavy duty haulage. And of course, smart systems, ADAS, telematics and predictive maintenance. I was meeting companies working on suspension systems, braking tech, wiring harnesses and all critical building blocks of the CV space. सब अपने अपने जोन में काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक realization सबको है कि this industry cannot work in silos. The magic lies in collaboration, in finding that right synergy जो इंडिया के ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाएगी. And lastly, I came back to Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai, for the CII Global Supply Chain Summit. This wasn't just about vehicles. This was about the engine of every industry, supply chain. Be it pharma, food and beverage, steel, cement or auto, सब जगह same concern है. How do we stay efficient, resilient and sustainable in a volatile world? Digitalization, automation, visibility tools, ये अब luxury नहीं है, necessity बन चुके हैं. और एक common line सबकी थी, efficiency is the new sustainability. मुझे realize हुआ finally supply chain conversations are not just back-end operational talk, they are boardroom strategy now. So 3 cities, 3 perspectives, एक manufacturing powerhouse, एक industry का dialogue hub और एक global strategy summit. And this is the kind of week that reminds me I don't just write about this industry, I'm lucky enough to witness it from the inside. तो ये था मेरा एक हफ्ता full of learnings, conversations and a whole lot of inspiration. आप बताओ इंडस्ट्री का कौन सा पार्ट आपको सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइट करता है? EVs, alternate fuel, automation, supply chain. Let's talk, let's connect and let's keep rolling. This is Rolling with Rajesh. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.